If you're just starting mushroom farming, one question can save you a lot of money, time, and frustration. So that question is, should you buy ready to fruit mushroom bags or should you produce your own from the beginning? Many beginners assume making everything yourself is the smartest option, but is it really? Alright, so by the end of this video, you will know which option makes the most sense, depending on number one, your experience, number two, your budget, number three, your goal. More importantly, you avoid one of the biggest mistakes that cause many new growers to give up too early. So from my experience working with oyster mushrooms and supporting beginners, I've seen people succeed with both approaches. All right. I have done both approach myself when I started the farm. I have also seen people lose confidence because they started with the wrong method for their situation. All right. So the right choice isn't about pride. It's about learning the business step by step. So let's start with buying ready to fruit bags. So when you buy quality fruiting bags from a trusted producer, you are removing some of the most technical parts of mushroom cultivation, of mushroom farming. Someone has already prepared your substrate for you, sterilized or pasteurized it correctly, inoculated it with mushroom spawn, and successfully completed incubation without any contamination. That means your main job is to provide the right fruiting conditions. For a beginner, this has a big advantage. Take it from me. You can just focus on learning how to manage humidity, how to manage fresh air, how to manage lightning, how to manage harvesting and handling mushroom after harvest. Those are important skills on their own. Don't take it for granted. Don't say because I did not start from scratch. No. Another advantage is speed. Instead of spending weeks preparing bags and waiting through incubation, you can often begin learning the fruiting stage much sooner. Yeah. There's also less things to buy at the beginning. Okay, you don't have to go and start setting up your pasteurization setup. No. If you're still testing whether mushroom farming is something you truly want to pursue, then buying a few fruiting bags can be a practical way to start. Take it from me. But buying fruiting bags also has limitations. So I'm giving you both sides of the coin. Your cost per bag is usually higher because someone else has already done much of the work for you. You also depend on the supplier's quality and availability. If the supplier has contamination problems or delays, of course, they cannot send you bags when they have agreed to send you bags. They'll send it later and your business can be affected. And here's something many beginners don't think about. I'm helping you do the thinking now. If you only buy fruiting bags, you may become very good at growing mushrooms, but never really learn how the bags are actually produced. That knowledge becomes important if you eventually want to expand your farm and reduce production costs. Now let's talk about you producing your own bags. Making your own fruiting bags gives you much more control. You choose the substrate, your substrate material. You can decide to use straw, you can decide to use sawdust, you can decide to use rice bran or wheat bran, whatever you want to use. You prepare them yourselves, you inoculate your bags yourself, you monitor incubation, and finally you move them to your fruiting room. The joy of it when every step, is going very well. I tell you, it feels so good. Also, as you're doing this, your skills improve. You produce your own bags can, reduce your production costs and make your farm more independent. It also allows you to produce larger number of bags whenever you're ready to scale. But here's the reality check. I need you to do this reality check with yourself. Producing mushroom bags is where many beginners struggle. It requires good hygiene, careful preparation, quality spawn, and patience. Patience! Small mistakes during substrate preparation or pasteurization or inoculation can lead to contamination. You just enter one room, green everywhere, green. So that's one thing. So many people think mushroom farming is simply mixing sawdust, mix, put on fire, put your spawn, blah, blah, blah. In reality, every step matters. Clean working conditions matter. Moisture level of your substrate matters. Quality raw material matters. Even rushing the process, especially when you're doing your inoculation, putting your spawn inside your substrate bag. If you rush, problem. So that doesn't mean beginners should never make their own bags. Don't get me wrong. It simply means that you should understand that this stage has a learning curve. There's a curve to it. So which option would I recommend? Let me take a deep breath. So if your goal is simply to learn how mushroom grow, understand fruiting conditions, gain confidence, and maybe make your first sales, buying quality fruiting bags is often the easier starting point. Yes, you experience excitement of, seeing them pin, harvesting them without really trying to master every stage all at once. Then once you're comfortable with fruiting, that's what I did though. Once you're comfortable with fruiting, you've seen the complete production cycle, you can now gradually learn how to produce your own bags. Okay. On the other hand, if you already have access to proper training, someone experienced has guided you, and you are prepared to learn through some trial and errors, so that you work with your own hands, then you can begin producing your own bags from the start. Just don't expect perfection on your first attempt. You can miracle no dey tire Jesus, so you can yes you can get it all once, but be prepared. So okay, every successful mushroom farmer was once a beginner learning the same skills. So before we continue, if you're enjoying practical lessons like this and you want to learn mushroom farming step by step with us, me and every other person that has subscribed to this channel, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and become part of Mission 1000. You can ask me for the link. We have a WhatsApp community. You can just join. So the goal is to help more Africans and more people, not just Africans, start mushroom farming with practical knowledge instead of expensive mistakes. So here's one important reality that applies whichever option you choose, whether you are choosing to start from scratch or choosing to use ready-to-fruit bags. There's no guaranteed yield or guaranteed profit in mushroom farming, especially as a beginner that's you're trying to understand everything. Okay, result depends on many factors, including the quality of your mushroom strain, the substrate preparation, supplementation, the hygiene, temperature, humidity, fresh air, contamination control, and even your local market. Okay, even experienced farmers continue learning and improving every production cycle. Okay, so don't compare your first harvest to someone else's 10th production cycle. So if you are wondering what to do next, here's a simple action plan. I think if you need to get a pen and paper, you can get it now. First, decide whether your immediate goal is learning fruiting or learning food production. There are two parts. Second, if possible, start with a manageable number of bags instead of trying to produce hundreds immediately. Third, keep notes. Record what works, record what doesn't, what you would improve your next time. Those notes become one of your most valuable farming tools. And finally, continue learning each stage one after the other. Mushroom farming rewards consistently, much more than so that is rushing. I don't know where you want to rush to. So to recap, fruiting bags help beginners learn faster with fewer technical challenges. Producing your own bags gives you greater control and can reduce costs over time, but requires more skills and careful hygiene, and can even be more expensive if the first batch is all wrong. So neither option is automatically better. The best choice depends on where you are in your learning journey. Now I would like to hear from you. If you're just starting today, would you rather buy ready-to-fruit bags or learn to make your own bags from day one? Tell me your choice and your reason in the comments. And in the next video, we'll talk about how to identify quality mushroom fruiting bags before you spend your money. I think that's another step that can save beginners from costly mistakes. So subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next lesson. And yeah, we have training to help you start from scratch. You can leave a comment and I'll share the link. We also have ready-to-fruit bags. Either way, we are here to help you. I am here to help you. So yeah, see you in the next.